there's anything you've been struggling with or experiencing in your body that feels off to you, something that doesn't feel healthy or something that doesn't feel quite right, just going to bring some light, some love into those spaces, asking to restore balance. So once you've pinpointed something in your body, just breathe into that space, calling forth those body parts or body spaces to restore balance, to come back into balance. And if there's a message that that body part has for you before it's able to restore its balance, take a few deep breaths, open yourself to receive that message. Let that body part know that you are willing to receive the information it has for you.